Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this copper plate with the Meuvcol copper cleaner and polish. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take the spray bottle filled with water and I'm just going to mist it all over this copper plate. And then I'm going to grab the Meuvcol copper cleaner and polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then I'm just going to rub it in until it's as dark as possible, then wipe it away with another Scott Blue shop towel. And then finally I'm going to grab the spray bottle again and rinse off this copper plate, wipe it with another Scott Blue shop towel to reveal a mirror shine. This polish cuts through tarnish and oxidation fast, bringing copper back to a bright, mirror-like shine without heavy scrubbing. The gentle cream won't scratch the surface, and it leaves a light, protective layer that helps slow future tarnish, so the shine lasts longer. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.